Yeah, again on Usdjpy. So like I told you the other time, on using this strategy to enter a trade. So you can see that Usdjpy and the 1 hour and 4 hour trend, they are aligned together for an uptrend. Okay, and we know that USDJPY has been on the down for some time now. So we are trying to do a kind of a little pullback. Okay. So I'm expecting USDJPY to get to this point. There's a strong resistance here. So I'm expecting USDJPY to get here. Okay. I'm currently on this trade. So and it's currently running. Okay. So let's see if USDJPY will get here. So how do I know that USDJPY is gonna get to this level? So if you check over to the down, I mentioned about a strategy on how to use this indicator and strategy. Okay. So I'm gonna share some keywords and how you can analyze using this script. Okay. So so let's see where we now. Okay. So let's go over to the daily time frame now. I noticed that let me delete all this line. Okay, so we can start afresh. So when I was using the other background for trend detecting of the daily trend, so I noticed that there's a strong bearish candle for the USJPY, though I missed that trade around that 1 a.m. I was expecting it, so my system ran out of battery, so I had to charge the system. But by the time I put on my system, the candle has already gone far, so I missed the trade. That would have given me a huge money. So I observed that the daily candle has already gotten to its support. So I was saying that it's gotten to the daily low. So I have to draw a line here. So I refuse that there's a strong support at this daily low here. So the daily candle refused breaking it. Okay. He tries to touch, tries whatever he tries, but if assuming he breaks it, it would have still dropped again. But since he refused breaking it, I allowed for a pullback in the 1 hour time frame because if you use the smaller time frame, you will always have losses, okay? Because of pullbacks and all that and drops and all that. So I had to use the 1 hour time frame. So I saw that price could not break this daily low. So I had to go back to the 1 hour time frame. So I checked then the trend line, there is a strong resistance trend line that was drawn at this level. Okay, so now where am I gonna book my profit? I would have booked my profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1:1 on the 1 hour time frame. But I'm not currently sure the price might get up to this level because in the market anything is possible in the market. Okay. So what I do is that I'll have to book my profit on the smaller time frame. So when I go to the smaller time frame, you can see on the smaller time frame, I found the possible words resistance. So I'll be taking my profits at this level. Okay. I'll be taking my profit at this level. But if price breaks these levels and settles above it, then definitely I'm going forward these targets here. Okay. That's where that should be my target, or definitely, or I might go forward. The nearest was resistance. The if price break this nearest resistance, that settles above it, I will also go forward. The other was resistance. So if I check the daily if I check the daily that price if you so what I do is this, okay? So let's get the now to analyze the market is very easy, you know. Sometimes I'm not asking you to like I said earlier, I don't send signals, okay? But I can teach and you can follow me up, then you can chat me up, then I can teach you my strategy, also how to write a code on your own same strategy of what you can your strategy of that can give you profits. Okay, like I said, this script, this indicator is not yet on trading view yet, but I'll be updating it very soon because I want to put three alignment, which is the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily world alignment with trend line support and resistance. So let's analyze together. Okay, currently, so let's go over to this point. Okay, then which is the daily high. Okay, we are getting the daily high. Then we'll also go back to the recent for the previous daily high. Okay, the previous daily high. So we are looking at it this way. So we'll go over to the 1 hour time frame. So we have gotten the two, so you can see that in the 1 hour time frame price refuse breaking the recent towards candles low. So definitely it's gonna rise, okay? And then I created a trend line was support over here, created another trend line support over here. So definitely it's gonna breaks this trend line resistance, break this trend line resistance, break this and get towards the red words support. So but I'm not sure because of it's a kind of a strong downtrend, okay, retracing. So definitely I'm taking my profit at this level, like I said. I will take my profit at this level. But I check over after the 5 minutes time frame. I couldn't see a good opportunity to book a profit. So I decided to go over to the 15 minutes time frame to find the possible what resistance. So you can see that I got the possible resistance at this level here. Okay, the possible resistance at what this level here. So what I do is this, okay, for you to be able to trade the daily candle or the daily candle using this script, okay? But so let me let you guys know that the USDPR will still drop. If you go over to the daily and at the daily, okay, you can see that USDPR has been breaking what resistance upon resistance upon what resistance. So definitely it will get over to this place. So we're expecting a drop from USDJPY, a huge drop towards this point here. Okay, right. I think it was dropped to this point before any were possible retracement. So GSDJPR will still drop. You can see it's not yet below the 250 EMA yet, MA yet. So we are expecting, so right now it's not in a trend, it's still on the uptrend. Okay, it's not yet what on the downtrend. So we're expecting it to go below the 200 and the 50 words MA to be considered a fully downtrend because anything is possible at this point. It can retrace at any time, okay? Anything is possible at this point here. So here's the JPY will still drop. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame. But you know one thing about this script is so amazing that it's when a new trend is starting, okay? Let's say, for example, let's go to the daily time frame, a new candle develop and is dropping. Since the script is based on 1 hour and 4 hour alignment, it generates it deletes the old trend line and generates what a new trend line from where the alignment started between 1 hour to 4 hour and to where it's gonna end on the words on the 1 hour to 4 hour world. support and resistance. So what it does is this, okay? Then if you want to know if the trade will still go down or will still go down or can or will not go down anymore, okay? You have to draw your trend line on the daily low. Okay, when you draw your trend line on the daily low, if price refuse to break that daily low line which you drew, then definitely it's gonna retrace. It's gonna have a little what pullback. So when it retraces and creates a trend line forward, a support trend line for you to buy, then that means you have to get into what the trade. And you know, one good thing about this thing is that it also have a breakout line. Let me show you guys. So you can see the breakout line. Let's go over to the 4-hour time frame if we can see any breakout line. Okay, you can see the breakout line here, which is the dark color, okay, for the daily time frame to show you that the price is continuing. Okay, so if Euro USD breaks this daily breakout black color line and breaks this one black color line, then definitely is gonna hit what is gonna hit what the nearest what resistance. Okay, so uh okay, so that's all for today, guys. So I'm currently on this trade running. So I'm expecting it to get to this level. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this level. Okay, but if there's any retracement, then that means I'm gonna pull out. Okay, if it finds it difficult to break this level, find it difficult to break these other blocks that is here. Okay, then that means I'm gonna pull out from the trade. So let me adjust my take profits to 150.396. So see you guys. Have fun. 150.369.